In today's video, we are going to learn about the cardinal directions. So the cardinal directions are nothing but the main points in a compass. So what is a compass? A compass shows you the direction, whether we have to go, move, north. The four main points are the north or south or east or west. So in today's video, we are going to see about the 8 cardinal directions, which is a 8 direction using a compass. So this is how a compass will look like. So the four major main points are the north, which is on top, and the exact opposite is the south. So north is written as N and south is written as, either you can write south or S. North, south, and this is your east. Towards your right is your east, or you can write it as E, and this is your west, or you can write it as W. So these are the four main points, and there are some more points, which is nothing but between the north and the east you have the northeast. The direction is northeast, or simply NE. So NE is northeast, and between your east and south is your southeast. You will not say it as east south, but you will call this as southeast. Always with the main direction north and south you will name it. So this is southeast. So this is southeast, or simply SE. So what will this be? I told you it will be with the north and south. So this is south. It is between south and west. So this point is southwest. Southwest, or SW is the short form. So one more point. It's between north and west. So it is northwest. Northwest, or nothing but northwest, or you can write it as NW. So these are the main directions which we are going to learn about. So the one on top is north, and the exact opposite is south, and one towards your right is the east, and one towards your left is the west. And between north and east you have northeast, between south and east you have southeast, and between south and west we have southwest, and between north and west we have northwest. So if this is you, and if you're facing in this direction, okay, so if you're facing in this direction, it means you're facing towards the north. Okay, and similarly, if you're facing this side, that means you're facing towards the south. If you're facing this side, it means you're facing towards the east. And if you're facing this side, it means you're facing towards the west. Similarly, if you're facing in this direction, okay, in this direction, that means you're facing the northwest direction. And if you're facing in this direction, that means you're facing the northeast direction. And if you're facing this way, it means you're facing the southeast direction. And if you're facing this direction, it means you're facing the southwest direction.